about you almost every night. I wonder what would happen if I call you.